and welcome back to YGreyParrot e-learning hub, the place to learn and discover the world. Today, we're going to learn about something so interesting, digestive system. Before getting into the topic, I want to introduce you to the 4 functions of digestive system: ingestion, digestion, absorption, elimination. Now let's get into the topic. Now let's look at the alimentary canal. It's a long pipe which goes from our mouth to our anus. You might ask, how long is that pipe? Well, it's 30 feet long, which is nothing but 9 meters. You know, our alimentary canal also has another name, which is known as Digestive Tract and Gastrointestinal Tract. Digestion begins through our mouth. So, you know, if you take a yummy chicken sandwich and put it to your mouth and you start chewing with your teeth, that's called physical digestion. Oh yeah, sorry about it. I forgot to mention there's 2 types of digestion: physical digestion and chemical digestion. So I already told you about the physical digestion. Now let me tell you about the chemical digestion. So, you know that liquid thing which comes out of your mouth? It's called saliva. And you might ask, how is it created? Our saliva secretes from our salivary glands. And did you know in our saliva there's chemicals? You might ask, what kind of chemicals? And it's called enzymes, which is nothing but amylase. And it helps the food to break down into more smaller pieces. Esophagus is a smooth muscular tube which connects stomach and mouth. Now you might ask, what is esophagus' job? Well, its job is to send food to our stomach with a process called peristalsis. Now let's talk about our stomach. Our stomach is in the digestive tract, and both physical and chemical reaction happens here. So, you know the food that we eat, it goes to our stomach and at least it stays there for 2 to 4 hours. So, our stomach will release gastric juices, which is nothing but pepsin and hydrochloric acid. So our pepsin will break down the proteins that is going inside our food. And our hydrochloric acid will kill the bacteria from the food. Liver secretes bile, which is stored in the organ called Gall Bladder. Bile helps to break down fats. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juices which break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. When food leaves stomach, it has consistency of tomato soup and enters to small intestine. Now let me tell you about small intestine. Small intestine is 6 meters long and 2.5 centimeter in diameters. The first 25 centimeter of the small intestine is duodenum. Duodenum receives enzymes from liver and pancreas. Food remains in small intestine for about 3 to 5 hours. Enzymes in our small intestine will break down food into carbohydrate, fats, and proteins, and then it will send it to our blood vessels. You might ask, where does our indigestible food will go? Well, you might be right. It goes to our large intestine. Large intestine is 1.5 meters long and 6.5 centimeters in diameter. Water is absorbed and solid is left here. It reaches to rectum after 24 hours and then eliminated through anus. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment, like, and share. Bye! Hope you enjoyed it and see you in my next lesson.